This is my Wanhao Duplicator i3PlusMk2. I'm showing you the rear view. Let me switch it on, because I want to demonstrate how the auto leveling does not work, and you need to see this sensor. In particular, the sensor is used to detect the distance of the extruder head from the bed. It triggers at a certain point, and you'll watch this LED at the top, which will flash when it detects that certain distance from the bed, and that's supposed to allow it to auto level by checking the distance on the left and right of the bed. This is the rear of the unit, so this is actually the left of the bed when you look from the front, and that's the right. So just keep that in mind when I'm talking about left and right. So we'll select the select the level menu. It doesn't even give me a manual level option. It gives you some instructions, and you press next, and away it goes. So it starts by zeroing the x-axis and the y-axis, and then finally the z-axis by detecting the point where the sensor triggers, just there. It does that a few times. Moves to the middle of the bed, checks a couple more times, and then it stops at the reference level where the detector previously detected the 0, and gives you a menu to adjust the Z height to your desired 0.1mm using the reference card. I've actually done this just a short time ago, and that card's got just a slight resistance under the extruder tip, so that's fine as it is. We now press next, and it will go through its supposed auto leveling routine, which will check 9 points on the bed, 3 along the front, 3 in the middle, 3 along the back. What I want you to watch is the LED flashing as it detects a certain level, and what is the actual right hand corner of the bed when it is detecting the points on the right, and you'll see that the bed moves because the tip crashes into it. Even in the middle, there's a very slight movement, but watch this. You'll see it more as the extruder moves to the back. See there, the movement? So the detector, the proximity sensor, is operating at a different height depending on whether it's at the left of the bed or the right of the bed, as a result of which the auto leveling is totally unusable. Watch the bed move. Very slight in the middle, but significant on the right. And in fact, because I've previously tried this auto leveling with the bed and the extruder heated so that it's operating at normal temperature, the extruder has made a permanent dent in the plastic mat, which will need replacing once the other problems are sorted out. So the auto leveling is a complete fail in my book, and because there is no manual leveling menu offered, I can't even level this machine at all, and thus the machine as a whole is a total fail.